Hey Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you some 1/4 scale helms from Lord of the Rings. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you first these helms that are out of box. And this first one here is Frodo's helm when he was in Mordor. So this is a really cool piece. You can see where it's all the dents, rusted, all that. Such a cool piece. I like these things that run along the side of his helm there. Very, very cool. And this is actual real metal, so they are really quite heavy for the size of these. So cool. And I'll show you on the base. Number 208 of 2500. Orc Helm of Frodo, as you can see there. And it's made by P. Fickling. So cool. And you have to let it sit just right on that. And it sits like so. Yep. So I'll show you along here again. So you can see all the scratches and everything on there. Very, very cool. Orc helm that Frodo wears. And this is a second out of the box because I don't have the box for it. This is the helm that Samwise Gamgee wears. It's another very cool piece. You can see all the detail on that. Very, very cool. Love it. I'll show you here again, just like Frodo's. This is number 1138 of 2500. Made by Robert Ford. Another very cool piece. And again, it's on like so. Very cool. If you're a fan of the Lord of the Rings and Hobbit, I recommend getting these. These are such cool pieces. So yeah. So this is the helm, Orc helm of Sam's. Next is this Orc Iron Cap. And let's unbox this. So here's the bottom, Orc Iron Cap. And this is the base. And this is what it will look like. Once again, you have to have it sit right. Takes a bit of finagling here to get on, apparently. Like the weathering on this. Love the scrapes and all that. And the strap to fit around his head. Another very cool piece. Like all the indentations on the helm. Makes it look nice and rustic. All that. Very, very cool piece. And that is the Orc Iron Cap, I believe. Yep, Orc Iron Cap. Very cool. And next is this Orc Squinter quarter scale helm. And let's unbox this. And the base of the Orc Squinter Helm. This is made by Sean Bolton. This is pretty cool, this one here. Here we go. Here's up close. I love all the rust on this one. And all the detail on it as well. You can see where he possibly got hit with something hard, obviously, and in the indentation on his helmet there to be able to do that, which is pretty cool. Lots of detail in these. So cool. Love the nose on this. Again, another very cool piece. Next is this Orc Trapjaw. Orc Trapjaw. Let's unbox this. And here is the base Orc Trapjaw Helm. Created by Sean Bolton. Sculpted by Sean Bolton, sorry. Let's see how this looks on here. This one's pretty cool. I like the layering of the front this to this. Very, very cool. And I like the layering that goes up so far. It would protect, I think it would protect his eyes a little bit more from arrows flying at him. Such a cool piece. Lots of detail again. All the rustic dents and everything in the helm. Another very, very cool piece. That is so cool. Such a cool piece. And And then next is this Orc Crow-Faced Helm. Another really cool piece. Let's unbox this. So here's the base for the Orc Crow-Faced Helm. Again, made by, sculpted by Sean Bolton. And let's see how this looks on here. Again, these are all made by metal. Real metal. They are really, really heavy. Another very cool piece. Again, love the details on these. Love the rustic look on these as well. Very, very cool. I like how they did the eyes on the side of the helm on this one. And then the opening down below. Again, layered. Very, very cool. A little bit closer there for you. Very cool. Another great piece. And this would be my favorite Orc Helm, which is the Orc Hide of this bunch. And let's unbox this. So here's the base for the Orc Hide Helm. Again, sculpted by Sean Bolton. Lots of styrofoam on this one. This one is real cool. Really, really cool. I love all those spikes coming out the back of this helm. Very, very cool on this one. So this would be this one because it's a little bit thinner, a little bit more fragile. So just be careful of these. I love the face on this one. I like how the eyes and then the metal pieces that are coming down for like become maybe like the jowls of this one. Very, very cool. Look at the detail on this one. Really awesome. You can see it straps in from the back, where the other ones, they don't really have a strap. They're just open. So in cases all around his head there. Look at that. That's so cool. Lots of detail. Another awesome piece. And lastly, as a bonus, Gandalf quarter scale hat. Very cool. Let's unbox this. And here is the base of Gandalf's hat, sculpted by Jamie Beswarwick. Let's set this up here. That front. careful with that one. A little bit tipsy. So cool on this one. I know it's just plain Gandalf's gray hat, but it is very cool. So cool. Very cool piece. And that's Gandalf's hat. And these are what they look like all together. All my Orc Helms and Gandalf's hat. Very, very cool. My favorite one. And then Gandalf's hat. Very cool. This is an awesome line. I highly recommend you getting these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought of these helms. And like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.